Bad Day 1995 here, and I have an unboxing for you today of a 2x2 by 2 Rubik's Cube from Rubiks. And this is their newer model of the 2x2. It's supposed to have it's supposed to be stickerless, and it's supposed to move better than their old 2x2. What I'm going to open it with today is this utility key right here on my keychain. There it goes. And this is see if you can see that. Well, it's by Swiss Tech if you can't see that. Utility key. So let's open it. And here's the Rubik's Cube. Moves pretty smooth. Not bad. Well, it's no speed cube, but I wasn't looking for a speed cube. Battery's getting low, so when I come back, I'll do a quick solve for you. Okay, sorry about that. You have fully charged battery now, and I want to show you these panels instead of the stickers. They're pieces of plastic, and they're embedded right into the cube, so it's right flush. So I'm going to do a quick solve for you. So, and I messed around with it for a few days, and it kind of smoothed out a little better, so I'm expecting it to smooth out better throughout time. And I'm just going to track my time with this cube timer here. And you just hold your fingers on there for 2 seconds, and it'll tell you when it's ready, and when you release, it'll start the time, and when you tap again, it will stop the time. So I'm gonna have a quick look around the cube here. Let's see, probably go over the original white and go. Let's see. And yellow. Wait. Yeah. And do this. Well, it was probably like 45, but I missed the screen the first time. But it's not my fastest time. Let's see. Except for this one here. Wait, crap. Well, except for this, where is it? Well, I guess it reset itself. But, the fastest time for this was 36 seconds, I think. These ones are my other ones. My, 3x3. But, if you liked this, unboxing, then you'll like my other ones on my channel. I'll put a link in the description and you can check those out. Until then, see ya.